Hey folks, welcome to Selenium series. In this video, let's talk about what is Selenium and we will talk about what are the different components available in Selenium. Before we begin, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. So Selenium is an open source and portable automated software testing tool for web applications. So it is an open source tool. Okay, you do not need any license. Okay, you can directly download it and then start using it. It has capabilities to operate across different browsers and operating systems. Selenium is not just a single tool, but a set of tools that helps testers to automate web-based applications more efficiently. So it is not a single tool. You can say it is a collection or set of tools or set of suite. Okay. So it is used for automating web-based applications. So there are some components of important main components of Selenium are there. Those are Selenium IDE, Selenium WebDriver, and Selenium Grid. Okay. So before Selenium 4, there was another tool which was called as Selenium RC. It was there. Okay. Now it has been deprecated. So first is Selenium IDE. Selenium IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, is an important part of Selenium suite. It was first developed as a Firefox plugin. However, it is available in both Firefox as well as in Chrome browser. Basically, it supports a record and play option. You can record and then play it. Okay, or it will execute it. So it was initially developed as a Firefox plugin. Okay, then now it supports both Firefox as well as the Chrome browser. Okay, it is one of the important part of the Selenium. Selenium WebDriver. Again, it is one of the important part. So Selenium WebDriver is a successor to Selenium RC, which sends commands directly to the browser and retrieves result. Hence, it is faster than Selenium RC. I mentioned about Selenium RC, which is now deprecated. After Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver is which was introduced. Okay, so it is a successor after the Selenium RC, and it is faster also compared to Selenium RC. It receives commands and passes them to the browser. This is done with the help of browser drivers that sends command to the browser and obtains the result. So basically, the Selenium WebDriver will send the commands to the browser first, okay? And there are different types of browsers. I mean, drivers basically, Chrome driver, Firefox driver, that we will learn in the later sessions. So with the help of it, it sends and then receives the result. Okay. Selenium WebDriver is open source and comes without any licensing cost. Okay, so it is open source. Selenium WebDriver supports only web-based applications. So it supports only web-based, no mobile or application is supported or desktop that is not supported. Selenium Grid. Selenium Grid is a tool used to run parallel tests across the different machines and different browsers simultaneously, which results in minimized execution time. So basically, with the help of Selenium Grid, you can run the test cases parallelly. You do not have to wait for one test case to run and then another test case to start. So basically, it in parallel it executes. So that is why Selenium Grid also plays an important role. So let's talk about some of the advantages of using Selenium. Open source. This is the biggest advantage for Selenium. Selenium's biggest strength is that it is freeware and portable tool. There are no upfront direct costs and the tool can be freely downloaded. Its community-based support is also freely available. So that is the reason it has the major advantage, okay, to use Selenium. and it supports multiple languages. Selenium supports many languages, including like Java, Python, Perl, C Sharp, Ruby, Groovy, JavaScript. So these are the multiple language support Selenium has. User-friendly interface. Selenium has simple interface, okay, that makes it easy to create and run the test scripts. Reusable test cases. So basically, Selenium automated test cases can be reused. So you do not have to write, okay, again and again. You do not have to certain set of tests you can write and then you can reuse them. So that reusability of code is there. So that is why it is advantageous. Community support. Selenium has a strong community with comprehensive documentation and learning resources. So, since it is open source, so even though it is open source, there is a huge community support. Okay, so you anyone can contribute. Okay, for this open source tool. Parallel test execution. Selenium can minimize the total test execution time by using multiple test threads or processes. So, as I mentioned, it provides parallel testing with the help of Selenium Grid, so which will minimize the total test execution time. Okay, so, and prevents human error. Obviously, right? With the help of automation tool, we can reduce the human error. So, Selenium also is one of a tool which helps us to automate all the test cases. So, Selenium automates actions that human can perform, which can reduce the human error. Finally, reduced cost. Selenium can reduce the cost. Obviously, right? So since it is an open source tool, it is free to download and then there is a great community support. So then it is always a go for tool. People tend to go for this tool like lot of organization. Okay. So that is the advantage of using the Selenium. So since we understood what is Selenium, okay, it is an open source tool which can be used for web automation. So all the details we have learned. Okay, in the coming videos, we will learn further. If you have liked this video, please do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.